Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. Today's topic is River Valley, Multipurpose Projects and Major Dams. River Valley, Multipurpose Projects and Major Dams. A river valley project involves the planned development and management of the water resources of a river and its drainage basin. When a project simultaneously serves purposes such as irrigation, hydroelectric power generation, flood control, drinking water supply, fisheries, navigation and regional development, it is known as a multi-purpose river valley project. After independence, large dams and multi-purpose projects became important instruments of India's agricultural and industrial development. Jawaharlal Nehru famously described large dams as the temples of modern India. The major objectives of multi-purpose projects include irrigation, hydroelectric power generation, flood moderation, drought management, drinking water supply, industrial water supply, fisheries and regional development. Reservoirs store surplus monsoon water and release it during relatively dry periods. This function is particularly important in India's highly seasonal monsoon climate. Bahakar Nangal Project. The Bahakar Nangal project is a major multipurpose project on the Satluj River, associated primarily with Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Bahakar Dam is located on the Satluj in Himachal Pradesh, while the Nangal structure lies downstream in Punjab. The reservoir created behind Bahakar Dam is known as Gobind Sagar. The project provides irrigation and hydroelectric power and has particularly benefited Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Bahakar Nangal played an important role in expanding irrigation and providing water and power infrastructure for the Green Revolution in northwestern India. Paung Project. Paung Dam is located on the Beas River in Himachal Pradesh. Its reservoir is known as Maharana Pratap Sagar. The project is important for water storage, irrigation and hydroelectric power generation. Pando Project. Pando Dam is situated on the Beas River in Himachal Pradesh. It is an important component of the Beas-Satluj link, which diverts water from the Beas towards the Satluj system for hydroelectric power generation. Ranjit Sagar Project. Ranjit Sagar Dam, also known as Tain Dam, is constructed on the Ravi River near the Punjab and Jammu Kashmir region. It is used for irrigation, water storage and hydroelectric power generation. Tehri Project. Tehri Dam is situated on the Bhagirathi River in Uttarakhand and is one of India's most important multipurpose projects. It is among the tallest dams in India and is a major earth and rockfill dam. The Tehri project is important for hydroelectric power generation, irrigation and drinking water supply to several areas, including Delhi. Ramganga Project. Ramganga Dam, also known as Kalagat Dam, is located on the Ramganga River in Uttarakhand. The project was developed for irrigation, flood moderation and hydroelectric power generation and benefits parts of the Ganga Plain. Rihand Project. Rihand Dam is located on the Rihand River in Sonbhadra district of Uttar Pradesh. Its reservoir is known as Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar. The project is associated with irrigation, power generation and the water and energy requirements of the Sonbhadra-Singrauli industrial region. Bansagar Project. Bansagar Dam is constructed on the Son River in Madhya Pradesh. It is a multipurpose project associated with Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and is important mainly for irrigation and hydroelectric power generation. Damodar Valley Project. The Damodar Valley Project, developed across Jharkhand and West Bengal, is one of India's earliest major multipurpose river valley development programs. Its development was influenced by the concept of the Tennessee Valley Authority of the United States. The Damodar was historically known as the Sorrow of Bengal because of destructive floods in its lower basin. Flood control, irrigation, power generation, soil conservation and regional industrial development are major objectives of the Damodar Valley project. Tilaya Dam on the Barakar, Konar Dam on the Konar, Mathon Dam on the Barakar and Panchayat Dam on the Damodar are major structures of the system. Mayurakshi Project. Masanjore Dam is situated on the Mayurakshi River in Jharkhand, while its irrigation benefits extend substantially into West Bengal. It is also known as the Canada Dam. Hirakud Project. Hirakud Dam is located on the Mahanadi near Sambalpur in Odisha and is among the major multipurpose projects developed during the early post-independence period. Its principal objectives include flood control in the lower Mahanadi basin, irrigation and hydroelectric power generation. The Hirakud Reservoir also contributes to agriculture, fisheries and regional water resource development in western Odisha. Koyna Project. Koyna Dam is situated on the Koyna, a tributary of the Krishna, in Maharashtra. The Koyna project is one of India's most important hydroelectric projects and plays a major role in Maharashtra's power system. The reservoir created by the project is known as Shivasagar Lake. Jayakwadi Project. Jayakwadi Dam is situated on the Godavari River in Maharashtra. Its reservoir is known as Nath Sagar. It is particularly important for irrigation, drinking water and industrial water supply in the relatively dry Marathwada region. Shriram Sagar Project. Shriram Sagar Dam is located on the Godavari River in Telangana. It is an important irrigation and water supply project for agricultural regions of Telangana. Polavaram Project. The Polavaram project is a major multipurpose project on the Godavari River in Andhra Pradesh. Its objectives include irrigation, hydroelectric power generation, drinking water supply and facilitating the transfer of Godavari water towards the Krishna basin. The project is also associated with significant issues concerning displacement, submergence of tribal areas and environmental impacts. Tungabhadra Project. Tungabhadra Dam is located on the Tungabhadra, a major tributary of the Krishna, in Karnataka. It is important for irrigation and hydroelectric power generation in parts of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Almatti Project. Almatti Dam is located on the Krishna River in Karnataka and forms an important component of the Upper Krishna project. It contributes to irrigation, water storage and power generation in northern Karnataka. Narayanpur Dam is another important structure on the Krishna associated with the Upper Krishna project. Srishalam Project. Srishalam Dam is located on the Krishna River near the Andhra Pradesh-Telangana boundary. It is a major project for hydroelectric power generation, irrigation and water storage. Nagarjuna Sagar Project. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is located on the Krishna River between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It has played an important role in expanding canal irrigation across extensive dry regions of the two states. Krishna Raja Sagara Project. Krishna Raja Sagara Dam is located on the Kaveri River in Karnataka. It has historically been important for irrigation and water supply to Mysuru and adjoining urban and agricultural areas. Mettur Project. Mettur Dam is located on the Kaveri River in Tamil Nadu and forms the Stanley Reservoir. Regulated releases from Mettur are extremely important for irrigated agriculture, particularly rice cultivation, in the Kaveri Delta. The Kabini and Hemavati projects are also important water resource projects within the Kaveri River system in Karnataka. Idukki Project. The Idukki project is a major hydroelectric project associated with the Periyar River system in Kerala. Idukki Dam is a prominent arch dam and represents the utilization of the high hydroelectric potential of the Western Ghats. Mullaperiyar Dam. Mullaperiyar Dam is located on the Periyar River in Kerala, although a significant portion of its diverted water is utilized in Tamil Nadu. It is important in the context of inter-basin water transfer and Kerala-Tamil Nadu water management relations. Narmada Valley Projects. A series of major dams has been developed across the Narmada Valley for irrigation, hydroelectric power generation and water supply. Bargi Dam in Madhya Pradesh is one of the important projects developed on the Narmada. Indira Sagar Dam on the Narmada in Madhya Pradesh is a major multipurpose project and is particularly significant for its large storage capacity. The Omkareshwar project is an important irrigation and hydroelectric project on the Narmada. The Maheshwar project is also associated with hydroelectric development in the Narmada Valley. Sardar Sarovar Project. Sardar Sarovar Dam on the Narmada in Gujarat is one of India's most important multipurpose river valley projects. It provides extensive irrigation and drinking water supply in Gujarat and also benefits some water-deficient areas of Rajasthan. The project also generates hydroelectric power. Sardar Sarovar is important in discussions concerning the Narmada Bachao Andolan, displacement, rehabilitation and environmental impacts of large dams. Ukai Project. Ukai Dam is located on the Tapi River in Gujarat. The reservoir created by it is known as Vallabh Sagar. It is important for irrigation, hydroelectric power generation and flood management in the lower Tapi basin. Kakrapar is another important irrigation project on the Tapi River in Gujarat. Mahi Bajaj Sagar Project. Mahi Bajaj Sagar Dam is situated on the Mahi River in Rajasthan. It is an important multi-purpose project supporting irrigation and hydroelectric power generation in southern Rajasthan. Kadana Project. Kadana Dam is located on the Mahi River in Gujarat. It plays an important role in irrigation, hydroelectric power generation and regional water management. Chambal Valley Project. The Chambal Valley Project is an important joint river valley development project of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Gandhi Sagar, Rana Pratap Sagar and Jawahar Sagar dams have been constructed successively along the Chambal River. Kota Barrage forms an important irrigation regulation structure within the Chambal project system. The Chambal Valley project supports irrigation, hydroelectric power generation and regional development. Matatila Project. Matatila Dam is situated on the Betwa River and is associated with Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. It is important for irrigation and power generation in the Bundelkhand region. Rajghat Project is another joint Madhya Pradesh-Uttar Pradesh project on the Betwa River. Gangao Dam on the Ken River is an important water structure associated with the Bundelkhand region. The sequence of Gandhi Sagar, Rana Pratap Sagar and Jawahar Sagar dams in the Chambal basin provides an important example of integrated utilization of a river for irrigation and hydroelectric power. Projects such as Tungabhadra, Damodar Valley and Chambal Valley are important examples of interstate cooperation in river basin development. Importance of multipurpose projects. Dams store monsoon water and increase irrigation availability throughout the year, reducing agricultural dependence on seasonal rainfall. Controlled irrigation can increase cropping intensity, agricultural productivity and the possibility of multiple cropping. Hydroelectricity is an important renewable source of energy and can reduce dependence on fossil fuel-based electricity generation. Large reservoirs can moderate downstream floods under suitable conditions by temporarily storing part of the high monsoon discharge. Reservoirs provide relatively regular water supplies to cities and industries. Reservoir fisheries, tourism and associated activities can create additional livelihood opportunities. Major challenges. Construction of large reservoirs may submerge villages, agricultural land and forests, creating problems of displacement and rehabilitation. Dams modify the natural flow and sediment regime of rivers. This can affect downstream river ecology and reduce sediment supply to deltaic regions. Sedimentation within reservoirs can gradually reduce their effective storage capacity. Alteration of natural river flow can affect fish migration, aquatic biodiversity and floodplain ecosystems. The benefits and costs of large dams are not always distributed equally. Distant agricultural and urban regions may receive benefits while local communities bear much of the social cost of displacement. Dam operations in interstate river systems such as the Kaveri and Krishna can become closely connected with water sharing and competing interests of upstream and downstream states. Modern river valley management increasingly emphasizes environmental flows, sediment management, dam safety, rehabilitation and the ecological health of the entire river basin rather than merely maximizing water storage. Climate change can make reservoir operation and flood management more complex by altering the frequency and intensity of extreme rainfall and prolonged dry periods. For examination purposes, important river project associations include Bahakar with the Satluj, Terry with the Bhagirathi, Hirakud with the Mahanadi, Mathon and Panchayat with the Damodar system, Bansagar with the Son, Jayakwadi and Polavaram with the Godavari, Almaty, Srishalam and Nagarjuna Sagar with the Krishna, Cree. Sna Raja Sagara and Metur with the Kaveri, Indira Sagar and Sardar Sarovar with the Narmada, Ukai with the Tapi, Mahi Bajaj Sagar with the Mahi, and Gandhi Sagar, Rana Pratap Sagar and Jawahar Sagar with the Chambal. Dam or multipurpose project, river, location, reservoir. Bahakar Dam, Satluj, Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh, Gobind Sagar. Nangal Dam, Satluj, Nangal, Punjab, Nangal Reservoir. Pong Dam, Bees, Kangra, Himachal Pradesh, Maharana Pratap Sagar. Pando Dam, Bees, Mandi, Himachal Pradesh, Pando Lake. Ranjit Sagar Dam or Thain Dam, Ravi, Pathankot, Punjab, Ranjit Sagar Reservoir. Chamera Dam, Ravi, Chamba, Himachal Pradesh, Chamera Reservoir. Natpa Jakri Project, Satluj, Kinnaur and Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, Run-off River Project. Koldam Project, Satluj, Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh, Koldam Reservoir. Baglihar Dam, Chenab, Ramban, Jammu and Kashmir, Baglihar Reservoir. Salal Dam, Chenab, Rasi, Jammu and Kashmir, Salal Reservoir. Dulhasti Project, Chenab, Kishtwar, Jammu and Kashmir, Dulhasti Reservoir. Kishanganga Project, Kishanganga, Bandipur, Jammu and Kashmir, Kishanganga Reservoir. Ratl Hydroelectric Project, Chenab, Kishtwar, Jammu and Kashmir, reservoir associated with Ratl Project. Pakal Dul Project, Marusudar, Kishtwar, Jammu and Kashmir, Pakal Dul Reservoir. Terry Dam, Bhagirathi, Terry Garhwal, Uttarakhand, Terry Reservoir. Koteshwar Dam, Bhagirathi, Terry Garhwal, Uttarakhand, Koteshwar Reservoir. Ramganga Dam or Kalagat Dam, Ramganga, Pauri Garhwal, Uttarakhand, Ramganga Reservoir. Lakhwar Multipurpose Project, Yamuna, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, Lakhwar Reservoir. Kishau Multipurpose Project, Tans, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh border region. Proposed Kishau Reservoir. Renuka Ji Dam Project, Giri, Sirmoor, Himachal Pradesh, Renuka Ji Reservoir. Bansagar Dam, Sun, Shadol, Madhya Pradesh, Bansagar Reservoir. Rihand Dam, Rihand, Sonbhadra, Uttar Pradesh, Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar. Matatila Dam, Betwa, Lalitpur, Uttar Pradesh, Matatila Reservoir. Rajghat Dam, Betwa, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh border, Rajghat Reservoir. Paricha Dam, Betwa, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, Paricha Reservoir. Gandhi Sagar Dam, Chambal, Mandsaur, Madhya Pradesh, Gandhi Sagar Reservoir. Rana Pratap Sagar Dam, Chambal, Rawatbhata, Rajasthan, Rana Pratap Sagar Reservoir. Jawahar Sagar Dam, Chambal, Kota Bundi region, Rajasthan, Jawahar Sagar Reservoir. Kota Barrage, Chambal, Kota, Rajasthan, Kota Barrage Reservoir. Baijalpur Dam, Banas, Tonk, Rajasthan, Baijalpur Reservoir. Mahi Bajaj Sagar Dam, Mahi, Banswara, Rajasthan, Mahi Bajaj Sagar Reservoir. Javai Dam, Javai, Pali, Rajasthan, Javai Reservoir. Tilaya Dam, Barakar, Kodarma, Jharkhand, Tilaya Reservoir. Konar Dam, Konar, Hazaribagh, Jharkhand, Konar Reservoir. Mathon Dam, Barakar, Dhanbad, Jharkhand, Mathon Reservoir. Panchet Dam, Damodar, Dhanbad, Jharkhand, Panchet Reservoir. Tenughat Dam, Damodar, Bokaro, Jharkhand, Tenughat Reservoir. Masanjore Dam, Mayurakshi, Dumka, Jharkhand, Masanjore Reservoir. Hirakud Dam, Mahanadi, Sambalpur, Orissa, Hirakud Reservoir. Rengali Dam, Brahmani, Angul, Orissa, Rengali Reservoir. Indravati Project, Indravati, Orissa, Upper Indravati Reservoir. Balaimla Dam, Siliru, Malkangiri, Orissa, Balaimla Reservoir. Hasteo Bango Dam, Hasteo, Korba, Chhattisgarh, Minimat Bango Reservoir. Gangal Dam or Ravishankar Sagar, Mahanadi, Dhamtari, Chhattisgarh, Ravishankar Sagar Reservoir. Dudhwa Dam, Mahanadi, Dhamtari, Chhattisgarh, Dudhwa Reservoir. Bargi Dam, Narmada, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, Bargi Reservoir. Indira Sagar Dam, Narmada, Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh, Indira Sagar Reservoir. Omkareshwar Dam, Narmada, Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh, Omkareshwar Reservoir. तवा डैम, तवा, नर्मदापुरम मध्य प्रदेश, तवा रेजर्वॉयर। बाना डैम, बाना, रैसन मध्य प्रदेश, बाना रेजर्वॉयर। सरदार सरोवर डैम, नर्मदा, नर्मदा गुजरात, सरदार सरोवर रेजर्वॉयर। उकाई डैम, तापी, तापी गुजरात, वल्लभ सागर। ककरापर वियर, तापी, सूरत गुजरात, ककरापर रेजर्वॉयर। कडना डैम, माही, महिसागर गुजरात, कडना रेजर्वॉयर। धरोई डैम, साबरमती, मेहसाना गुजरात, धरोई रेजर्वॉयर। दांतवाड़ा डैम, बनास, बनसकंठा गुजरात, दांतवाड़ा रेजर्वॉयर। जयाकवाड़ी डैम, गोदावरी, पाथन महाराष्ट्र, नाथसागर। कोयना डैम, कोयना, सतारा महाराष्ट्र, शिवसागर लेक। उज्जैन डैम, भीमा, सोलापुर महाराष्ट्र, उज्जैन रेजर्वॉयर। ईसापुर डैम, पेंगैंगा, महाराष्ट्र, ईसापुर रेजर्वॉयर। एलदारी डैम, पूर्णा, परभणी महाराष्ट्र, एलदारी रेजर्वॉयर। अपर वर्धा डैम, वर्धा, अमरावती महाराष्ट्र, नाल दमयंती सागर। गोसहर डैम, विनगंगा, भंडारा महाराष्ट्र, गोसहर रेजर्वॉयर। श्रीराम सागर प्रोजेक्ट, गोदावरी, निजामाबाद तेलंगाना, श्रीराम सागर रेजर्वॉयर। निजाम सागर डैम, मंजीरा, कमरेड्डी तेलंगाना, निजाम सागर रेजर्वॉयर। सिंगूर डैम, मंजीरा, संगारेड्डी तेलंगाना, सिंगूर रेजर्वॉयर। लोअर मनेर डैम, मनेर, करीमनगर तेलंगाना, लोअर मनेर रेजर्वॉयर। कलेश्वरम लिफ्ट इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट, गोदावरी, तेलंगाना, बैराज एंड रेजर्वॉयर सिस्टम मेडगड्डा बैराज, गोदावरी, जयशंकर भूपलपल्ली तेलंगाना, लक्ष्मी बैराज रेजर्वॉयर पोलवरम मल्टीपर्पज प्रोजेक्ट, गोदावरी, आंध्र प्रदेश, पोलवरम रेजर्वॉयर। डाउलेश्वरम बैराज, गोदावरी, राजमहेंद्रवरम आंध्र प्रदेश, बैराज पॉन्ड श्रीशैलम डैम, कृष्णा, आंध्र प्रदेश तेलंगाना बॉर्डर, श्रीशैलम रेजर्वॉयर नागार्जुना सागर डैम, कृष्णा, तेलंगाना आंध्र प्रदेश बॉर्डर, नागार्जुना सागर रेजर्वॉयर। प्रकाशम बैराज, कृष्णा, विजयवाड़ा आंध्र प्रदेश, बैराज पॉन्ड। सोमशिला डैम, पेन्नार, नेल्लोर आंध्र प्रदेश, सोमशिला रेजर्वॉयर। आलमट्टी डैम, कृष्णा, विजयपुर कर्नाटका, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री रेजर्वॉयर। नारायणपुर डैम, कृष्णा, कर्नाटका, बासवा सागर रेजर्वॉयर। तुंगभद्रा डैम, तुंगभद्रा, विजयनगर कर्नाटका, तुंगभद्रा रेजर्वॉयर। कृष्णा राजा सागरा डैम, कावेरी, मंड्य कर्नाटका, कृष्णा राजा सागरा रेजर्वॉयर। काबिनी डैम, काबिनी, मैसूरू रीजन कर्नाटका, काबिनी रेजर्वॉयर। हिमावती डैम, हेमवाटी, हसन कर्नाटका, गोरूर रेजर्वॉयर। हारंगी डैम, हारंगी, कोडगु कर्नाटका, हारंगी रेजर्वॉयर। लिंगनामक्की डैम, शरवाठी, शिवमोगा कर्नाटका, लिंगनामक्की रेजर्वॉयर। सुपर डैम, काली, उत्तर कन्नडा कर्नाटका, सुपर रेजर्वॉयर। मेटूर डैम, कावेरी, सलम तमिलनाडु, स्टैनली रेजर्वॉयर। भवानीसागर डैम, भवानी, ईरोड तमिलनाडु, लोअर भवानी रेजर्वॉयर। वागाई डैम, वागाई, थेनी तमिलनाडु, वागाई रेजर्वॉयर। अमरावती डैम, अमरावती, तिरुप्पुर तमिलनाडु, अमरावती रेजर्वॉयर। कल्लानाई और ग्रैंड अनिकट, कावेरी, तिरुचिरापल्ली थंजावुर रीजन तमिलनाडु, डाइवर्शन स्ट्रक्चर। इडुक्की डैम, पेरिया सिस्टम, इडुक्की केरला, इडुक्की रेजर्वॉयर। मलपेरियार डैम, पेरिया, इडुक्की केरला, पेरिया लेक। मलमपुझा डैम, मलमपुझा, पालक्कड़ केरला, मलमपुझा रेजर्वॉयर। बनासुर सागर डैम, करमनाथोडु, वायनाड केरला, बनासुर सागर रेजर्वॉयर। नेयर डैम, नेयर, तिरुवनंतपुरम केरला, नेयर रेजर्वॉयर। इडामलेयर डैम, इडामलेयर, एर्नाकुलम केरला, इडामलेयर रेजर्वॉयर। ड्यांग डैम, ड्यांग, वोखा नागालैंड, ड्यांग रेजर्वॉयर। कोपीली प्रोजेक्ट, कोपीली, असम मेघालय रीजन, कोपीली रेजर्वॉयर सिस्टम। यूमियम डैम, यूमियम, रीभोई मेघालय, यूमियम लेक और बारपनी। रंगनाडी प्रोजेक्ट, रंगनाडी, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, रंगनाडी रेजर्वॉयर। कमेंग हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट, बिचौम एंड टेंगा, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, बिचौम रेजर्वॉयर। सुबानसिरी लोअर हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट, सुबानसिरी, असम अरुणाचल प्रदेश बॉर्डर रीजन, सुबानसिरी रेजर्वॉयर। Dibang Multipurpose Project, Dibang, Lower Dibang Valley, Arunachal Pradesh, proposed Dibang Reservoir. Teesta V Dam, Teesta, Sikkim, Teesta V Reservoir. Teesta 3 Project, Teesta, Sikkim, Teesta 3 Reservoir. Ranjit 3 Project, Ranjit, Sikkim, Ranjit Reservoir. Loktak Hydroelectric Project, Loktak Lake and Manipur River System, Manipur, Loktak Reservoir System. Gumti Dam, Gumti, Tripura, Dambur Lake. Turial Dam, Turial, Mizoram, Turial Reservoir. New and strategically important projects. Ratl Hydroelectric Project, Chenab, Kishtwar, Jammu and Kashmir, under development. Pakal Dul Hydroelectric Project, Marusudar tributary of Chenab, Kishtwar, Jammu and Kashmir, under development. Keru Hydroelectric Project, Chenab, Kishtwar, Jammu and Kashmir, under development. Kwar Hydroelectric Project, Chenab, Kishtwar, Jammu and Kashmir, under development. Lakhwar Multipurpose Project, Yamuna, Uttarakhand, under development. Renuka Ji Dam Project, Giri tributary of Yamuna, Himachal Pradesh, planned multipurpose reservoir. Kishau Multipurpose Project, Tans tributary of Yamuna, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, proposed multipurpose reservoir. Ken Betwa Link Project and Dodhan Dam, Ken, Panna region, Madhya Pradesh, Dodhan Reservoir. Polavaram Multipurpose Project, Godavari, Andhra Pradesh, under construction. Dibang Multipurpose Project, Dibang, Arunachal Pradesh, Major Hydroelectric and Flood Moderation Project. Subansiri Lower Project, Subansiri, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam region, Major Hydroelectric Project. Salalam Dam, Salalam tributary of Zuari, South Goa, Salalam Reservoir. Silolim, Tillari and Anjunem are important water resource projects associated with Goa and the adjoining Western Ghats region. Thank you very much for joining us. For more useful study material, please like and share this video, and subscribe to the Pariksha Academy channel.